So hey, welcome to another video. Today we are talking about 4 online typing jobs that you can do anywhere in the world and earn between $100 to $300 per month. If you're looking for any of that kind of jobs, this is the video for you.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
What is online typing job? So this is a job that requires you basically to type something and then you get paid for it. Yeah, so it can either be writing, it can either be data entry, it can either be dealing with numbers and all that thing, but the premise is you just type and then you get paid for that. Now the first job that you can do online with either your phone or your laptop and get paid for is transcription. So transcription is the act of, or is the process of translating an audio or a video into text. So that process of translating audio to text is what you call transcription. Yeah, so when you do this, you either get paid per audio minute or per hour of the video, depending. There are very many websites that you can get these jobs, but today I found a very good one, a less known one, which means there are more opportunities for you to get work here. So there's this website known as 3playmedia.com. They were previously known as I think Captioning Max. Yeah, they were known as Captioning Max. So I don't know if they got acquired or they just rebranded to this. So here you can see that this website deals with audio transcription, live captioning, translation, integrations, and automation and all of that. And as you can see, they have over 100,000 customers. Yeah, so this is what you will be doing. So you can either do closed captioning, we'll talk about that later, and transcription, live captioning, audio transcription, and then translation and subtitling. Yeah, now for this you can just join here and just sign up for transcription. Now remember, for you to work as a transcriber, you need good earphones, you need ear to detail, because remember you're translating an audio into text, so it needs to be accurate. So you need to be someone who is keen. Yeah, now just go to 3playmedia.com, then come here to jobs, join them here, click here, freelance transcriptionist jobs. Yeah, just click here and then you will be taken to this place. Then you can now continue applying. As you can see, the required qualifications: excellent written communication skills, command of English, proficient internet research, and then ability to manage projects, and you at least must be 18 plus years. Now the pay is really good. You get paid at least $24 per hour. That's almost 2,500 Kenya shillings per hour. Another online typing job that you can do and get paid really well is business naming. So this will sound more weird, but there are some people out there that they can't come up with a name either for their website, their app, or their business. So they hire these other agencies to handle that for them. And one of such websites that offer these services is called SquadHelp. So SquadHelp.com is a naming service. Yeah, and what they do here is they bring together freelancers like you who compete to name a business, and the one that's picked, or the one that wins, the ones that the client picks, or the name that wins, gets some reward, and the reward most of the time is cash. So if you go to squadhelp.com, you can see everything here they do. So they do what you call the naming contest. So what they do is that a business goes to them and say, hey, I want a name for my business or my app or my website. So what they do, SquadHelp now subcontract that to you. So they create a contest for you guys, the freelancers, to come up with a name, and the one that wins that contest make at least $100 to $300 when you win that contest. So to join, just go to squadhelp.com and then come here, become a creative. Here is how it works before you join. So you need to submit your ideas in naming, slogan or logo contest. So it's not restricted only to naming. It's all, you can also do contest on slogans or logos. So you submit your ideas. Now the contest holders rate your ideas and provide feedback. Yeah, then you earn cash rewards if your idea is selected by the company, and then you earn also badges and points and bragging rights when your ideas are liked. Yeah, so it's that simple. You submit your idea, and if they like it, you win the contest, and if you win the contest, you know, you earn cash rewards. So to join, just come here and then click join now, and from there you can just submit. So this is something that you can do on your phone. Yeah, and remember, you can earn between, you know, when you win a contest, you can earn anywhere between $100 to $300 depending on the project that you are working on. Another good site that you can use for search also is called namestation.com. so it works almost the same as Squad Help, but here they are rewarding systems, you know, a little bit different. So you earn points here, and as you can see, you can make up to $300 a month by working a few hours every week. So it's really good. Now if you look at here, so for every 1,000 points you earn $100, which is transferred directly to your PayPal in 10 business days. Yeah, in 10 business days. So when you win also a contest, you also get free NameStation Pro for a month. Yeah, now to apply, just go to NameStation and then become contributor, and then come here, apply to become a contributor. Then this is something also you can do on your phone. Another online typing job that you can get into and do with your phone, your laptop, or anywhere you are in the world is training AI. Now what happens is, right now there are a lot of AIs, you know, being, I don't know, being invented left and right, but you realize these AIs need to be trained with real human content or human data for it to, you know, to produce as expected. Now there is this website known as clickworker.com. so what they do is they offer a lot of services that include training AI. So besides, you know, offering machine learning data sets, they also offer SEO content, they also offer keyword assignment and categorization, web research, product data management, surveys, and mobile crowdsourcing. Now these are all the jobs that you can do on clickworker.com, and it's easy to join and it's free, and inside you get paid up to $8 per hour depending on what you do. So just go to clickworker.com and then click here, earn money as a clickworker. Once you click there, you'll be brought here, then click sign up. Also you can continue reading everything here to understand how things works, and as you can see here, you will be paid through Billionaire and also your PayPal account. So make sure you have PayPal for this to work. The last online job that you can do with your phone or your laptop is online captioning. Now captioning comes from the word captions. So captions is what you're seeing here. This is, you know, it's like transcription, but they are attached either to a video or a television. Yeah, so when you watch TV, most of the time when you watch movies, you can see subtitles. Yeah, so there are people who are paid to offer these services, like this one here. Now there is this website known as transperfect.com. they pay between $16 and $17 per hour only for you to offer such a service like this, just to caption a video. So it's a really easy job to do. So to join this website, just go to transperfect.com, then come scroll down here to careers, then this is the page will come to, then come here and click join our freelance family, and then our follow instruction after that to sign up for this website. So there you have it, guys. These are 4 online typing jobs that you can do anywhere in the world and earn between $100 and $300 per month. So of course, if you like to see more of these videos, make sure you click that subscribe button, and of course If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. Bye, and see you in the next video.